So what does it take to get one of these warehouse doors lubricated, working, up and running properly? Well, in this video, we're going to share with you some pro tips, but at the same time, we're going to provide you some realistic outlooks with regards to what you really need to consider when repairing these garage doors. Let's party. Good to take off the excess lube. I don't want it to collect dirt and dust. Okay, so it does open up a little bit down there. It's not too bad compared to the other side. Yeah, see where we have a little bit closer the door, how it was installed, and on this side it's just opened up a little bit. Of course, that just could easily be that's how they installed it. Wasn't necessarily a fault, or I would say a defect of sorts. It's kind of how it is. Now I got to get up to those other rollers. Okay. All right. Very good. So you just press it once, right?
Of course, it's never done.
It's okay.
Oh, it was the Lube, huh? I don't know.
No, it worked for me earlier. It could be how the sun positions on the. It could be how the sun positions, but you also want to keep the.
I do check on those anything that's in front of it. I do.
Mm-hmm.
Well, next time it happens, I can send it to you.
Yeah, or a video or
Yeah,
whatever.
I'm gonna send it to Sarah.
Yeah, whatever's easier. But I lubed it. It's okay. It's still noisy, but it's because that's how this garage door is. It's just a noisy garage.
How often should we get this late?
Oh. Yeah, that should stop. Wow.
That's the first time I've seen it.
Yeah, well, that's probably why it got stuck, maybe. Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know if we should have those there.
Okay, well, maybe we can tie it.
Yes, that would be best.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I would probably do, just because, I mean, it's going to get caught if it's just dangling. Yeah, well, here's the thing. If he likes it there, then have it lower. Then have it somewhere low, so that way it doesn't get up on there. Yeah. There we go. That should work. So clearly this garage door, I mean, it has its quirks, right? It likes to shake and shimmy. Still noisy, but that's because of the type of door that it is. At any rate, we lubed it, so hopefully the lube will help it with the sound. We got the Power Master up there, seems to be working fine. I have a sneaky suspicion that our air compressor hose was in the way of the sensor. Yeah, we're just not going to get a super silent experience out of this garage door. It's kind of the nature of the beast. So we are back at this garage door system, and we want to make sure that the lubrication that we applied to it was sufficient enough so that way it could quiet down. Let's go ahead and hear that now. Still shakes a little bit. It's not too bad going down. Let's hear it going up. So it definitely has like a little shimmy, a little shake to it, and honestly I think in a lot of ways that's just the pusher springs up above doing their job to get the garage door to close. Now if I'm being honest, this particular garage door system, I mean, because it is technically a commercial door that has a lot of little quirks to it. Clearly you got a 3-inch track, 3-inch wheels, you've got a number of reinforced sections, the weight to it, the way that it opens, the way that it closes, the springs to it. I mean, there's just a lot, right? So if I'm thinking about those things, am I going to look for perfection when it comes to a garage door like this? Well, no, I'm just going to try and find what's adequate, what's safe, what's basically going to get this garage door system working for this customer. And I'm okay with it. It's a lot more quieter than it was before. So based on those needs, yeah, I would say that if the customer is happy with how the lubrication and what we did turned out, we'll leave it at that. But if this door does continue to have problems, well, we'll have to explore a lot more options and making sure that it's working at its optimal level. Now, of course, the pro tips, techniques, and ideas in this video should not be considered law or infallible. Why? Well, because I'm nobody. But at the same time, it's important for you to do your due diligence. That is, you want to know your door size, you want to know your door weight, you want to know everything about your garage door system and your garage door circumstances. And on this channel, we do have a number of videos that can help guide you on what to look for when you are considering lubricating or repairing your garage door. So check out that video right there. As always, I want to thank y'all for partying with me. Y'all stay safe.